Hi friends, today topic Vataja Yoni Vyapad. According to Charaka, Vatalahara Cheshtayam, Vatalayam Samiranaha, Vivruddho Yonimashrityam, Yonistodam Savedanam, Stambam, Pipilika Struptamiva, Karkasha Tam Tata, Karoti, Strupti Mayasam, Vatachaparan Gadan, Sasyat, Sashabda Rukfena, Tanu Rukshartava Anilat. According to Charaka, this shloka. Vatalahara Cheshtayam, Vatalayam Samirna. It indicates the Nidana. Vivruddho Yonimashrityam, Yonistodam Savedanam. It is the Samprapti. Stambam Pipalika Struptamiva Karkashatam Tata. It is the Lakshanas. Stamba means stiffness, Pipalika Struptamiva. Sensation like creeping of ants. Karkasha, roughness. Next, according to Sushrita, Vatala, Karkasha, Stabda, Shula Nistoda Pidita, Cha Atasurshvapi, Chadyasu, Bhavantya, Anila Vedanaha.